Happy Wednesday, everybody. Today is October 21st, 2020. What a beautiful day it is. I'm going to write the date because we haven't practiced that in a while. So it is the first number. If I'm only going to write numbers to write my date, it's going to be 10 because it is the 10th month of the year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. 10th month of the year. Today is the 21st day of the month, and the year is 2020. Beautiful. So that's our date for today. I just wanted us to think about that. And we are going to record the data for the 21st of October. So I'm going to flip it over so we can see what it is. Ooh, it's a black and white leaf. The orientation is that it's right side up, right? Very cool. And some other things I notice about it is the vein is going all the way up, which means it's a pinnate leaf, right? Because 20 was palmate. We're not going to have a palmate right after that one. And then I also noticed too that 21, I have to think about if that's an even or odd number. So I'm going to go to our observation and data collector. It is the 21st day of October. It was a black and white leaf. It was right side up, and it was definitely a pinnate leaf. And 21, because we had an even number before, what does that mean for 21? It is an odd number because we know that right after an even number can't be another even number. It goes even, odd, even, odd, even, odd. We can always think about that. All right. Now, before we move on today to our next thing for Number Corner, I want us to think about the patterns that we have figured out so far. Okay, so I'm going to zoom out a bit here so we can see it better. Some patterns that we've noticed. So something that I see here, and I'm going to do it on here actually for right now, and I'm going to do this. Let me see if I can change the color in red. So our red is, I'm going to look at the black and white leaves. We noticed a pattern about the black and white leaves, right? We noticed a pattern about them. And it's again today on the 21st. And if you remember, if we count our leaves right now, it goes 1, 2, 3. Let's start the pattern over. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So every third leaf is a black and white leaf. So when we think about the color here, the color, every third leaf is going to be black and white. And I'm just going to put B and W right there, black and white. Every third one's going to be black and white. Awesome. So that's one of our patterns. The other one I figured out, which I'm going to circle in green, is upside down. Okay, so I'm going to circle the upside down leaves. There's one, another one. Ooh, we are doing a good job paying attention to our upside down leaves. Now remember on this one, we noticed a pattern too, but it wasn't 3. Every fourth leaf. So 1, 2, 3, 4 is upside down. And we started over. 1, 2, 3, fourth is upside down. So for orientation, it is every fourth leaf, and I'm just going to draw an arrow here, is upside down, which is kind of crazy. So we can predict moving forward, every fourth leaf is going to be upside down. And you can see the pattern right there in our data. So we kind of know some different patterns in our October observation grid. So looking ahead, I know that our next upside down leaf is going to be 4 away from this one. So if I go 1, 2, 3, this Saturday is going to be an upside down leaf. That's pretty cool. I can predict what's coming up next.